Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, friends. In the series of PSM 1, PSM 2, or CSM certifications, we are going to discuss about the third topic, which are values of Scrum with real industry examples. In this video, I would like to explain the values of Scrum, but with that, I would like to give the real life industry examples for each of the value of Scrum so that you can understand that very easily. If you want the notes for this topic, kindly subscribe the channel, click on bell icon and send me mail on complexsql@gmail.com. Don't hesitate to send me mail on complexsql@gmail.com for any of help you require. So before that, I have also explained about what exactly the Scrum is with examples. Also, I have explained the manifesto of Scrum, which I'm posting the link into description of this video. So you can go through that. So let's get started. So Scrum is basically based on five core values that guide the behavior of the Scrum of the team and individual involved. Okay, let's go through the each of the value with real life industry examples. First value, commitment. Commitment. Okay, so team members individually commit to achieving the team's goal. Team's goal is important for each and every team member. Each and every team member of the Scrum. Okay, so they have to individually commit the team's goal, Scrum goal, whatever we have decided. Okay. I have given one example. In a software development project, each team member commits to delivering their assigned user stories by end of this sprint. Okay, so this is the sprint goal. Each team member have to deliver their assigned user stories on time within that sprint, within that specified time box. This commitment ensures that everyone works collectively to achieve the sprint goal. Okay. Second is courage. Team members have courage to question the status quo and propose improvements and take the risk. Okay, this is really great value. Courage. Team member have to courageous to question, because if you can see the team has formed with some of the members who have good experience and good skill set. Some of the members are fresher members, but you should have to have courage to propose the improvements, to take the risk, to communicate with senior team members as well. Okay. Example for the same, in a marketing campaign project, a team member has the courage to suggest bold and unconventional strategy to the marketing team, leading to increased engagement and successful campaign of the results. Let's say you are working on one of the marketing campaign project and one of the fresher team member have good ideas to for successful engagement or successful campaign. So as a fresher team member, he has that courage to showcase your idea during the sprint retrospective. That is their his courageous move. Okay. Third value of Scrum is focus. The team member focuses on completing the planned amount of work during the sprint and avoid the multitasking. Okay. So why I added the avoid multitasking keyword over here? Like if you decided to do some work during the sprint, in middle of the sprint, stakeholders will ask you to do some other work which is not planned during that sprint. That is not the correct approach. Then you are not following Scrum properly. Okay, so I have created one example for the same so that you can easily understand why the focus value is important. In a web development project, the team focuses on completing the high priority user stories without getting distracted by additional feature requests, ensuring successful delivery of sprint goal. You might have decided a specified sprint goal, and as a developer you are having 3 or 4 user stories to complete, and you are having the good amount of work during that sprint. In between that, if any other issue will come, then you should have that courage to tell that stakeholder that we have already planned this sprint, and can we take this issue in upcoming sprint so that we can follow the process properly and we can deliver the good amount of work on time. Got it? That's why focus is important. Fourth is openness. Team members and stakeholders are open about the work, challenges, and potential improvements. Okay. Example for the same is during the project status meeting in product development company, team members openly discuss the challenges that they are facing, and product owner shares the insight into shifting market demands and fostering a culture of transparency. You should have to have transparent. Okay. Let's say your project has some real issues, okay, which are technical, and let's say you are not having a proper Java developer for for completing your task during the sprint, and you require that Java developer by hook and crook. You should have to have that open mind to tell that to your stakeholders, to tell that to your product owner, scrum master, project manager, whoever that is. Okay, you should have to have that openness. So this is the fourth value of Scrum. Fifth value of Scrum is respect. Team members respect each other's expertise, perspectives, and contributions. So, as a team member, you should have to respect each other's perspectives, expertise, contributions. Let's say there are two team members. One team member have 1 year of experience, other team member have 10 years of experience. And if 1 year experienced team member have good ideas, then 10 years members experience have to respect that ideas. You should have to at least listen to that idea and respect each other perspectives. Okay. Let's take an example of the same. In a data analytics project, a data scientist and software developer collaborate effectively, respecting each other's skills. The developer acknowledges the complexity of the algorithm the data scientist is implementing, and data scientist appreciates the developer's contribution to integrating these algorithms into systems. So there is these appreciations. Small appreciation makes big impacts. So you, as a senior team member, have to appreciate junior team members as well. Okay, in the Scrum environment. Okay, so these are five values of Scrum. But the main question in mind, how to remember that values? Okay, so to remember this, you require to remember only CC for. CC for. These are values of Scrum. What that means? C stands for commitment, C stands for courage, for F stands for focus, O stands for openness, R stands for respect. CC for those are values of Scrum. So hope you like this video and hope I have explained this properly. If you have any issues with this video, kindly comment into the comment section. If you like this video, if you want notes for this video free of cost, then please subscribe the channel, click on bell icon and mail me on complexsql@gmail.com, which you can see in this uh, screen. Okay. Thanks for watching this video till end. Cheers.